Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. A former governorship candidate in Bayelsa State has revealed how the former governor of Rivers State and now Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, helped Governor Diri to get second term. And what he revealed will shock you. And that shock will give you an idea of what perhaps gives the Minister of FCT so much confidence when it comes to election in Nigeria. So let's go and look at what that shocking revelation is on how we can help Diri to get second term. You will be the judge at the end of the day. What did he do that turned the tide against the opponent, the main opponent, the APC candidate of Bayelsa State? What did Wike do? Because it's like he did the kind of magic that he did in Rivers State. And President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was declared the winner of Rivers State, even when independent vote tabulation by the BBC and Premium Times showed that it was actually Peter Obi of the Labour Party that won Rivers State. Let's look at what is the issue. How did this man reveal this secret, even though he revealed it to spite Diri, but he has ended up saying something that should be of concern to those who want free and fair election in Nigeria. Let's go. Now, a former governorship candidate of the Labour Party in Bayelsa State, Engineer Udengs Eradiri, he has told the Bayelsa State Governor, Senator Douye Diri, to stop dragging the entire Ijaw nation into his fight for political survival in the PDP. Diri, who was a former president of the Ijaw National Youth Congress, said that Diri should go and settle his issue with Wike and stop saying that Ijaw is not happy with Wike, and insisting, according to Eradiri, that Ijaw has no problem with Wike, that Ijaw is not at war with Wike. So he now went on to remind Diri what Wike did for him that made him to get second term. And that is where the bubble burst in terms of telling Nigerians how Wike played a role. And that role is something that is left for you to interpret. Let me read what he said out. Let me quote him directly. He said, this is what the former Labour candidate, governorship candidate in Bayelsa State in the 2023 election, Eradiri, look at what he said. He said, and I quote, "I guess it was the game at the time, because when he was speaking, when he was in the statement that he issued, he said that he also wanted to get favor. He wanted to get favor from Wike. You know, Wike was governor at that time. He said he, Eradiri, Labour Party candidate, he tried to see Wike, but the people around Wike, they didn't allow him get access. But Diri had access. And look at what he said about Diri. He said, I guess it was the game at that time because a Wike's endorsement would have perhaps made the outcome of the governorship election different. As evident, his support led to the victory of Douye Diri, because if not for the cancelling of Chief Timipre Sylvia's stronghold, the cancelling of Timipre Sylvia's stronghold made possible by Wike's support, things would have been different. I want you to understand what this man is saying. He said that if not for the cancellation of Chief Timipre Sylvia's stronghold made possible by Wike's support, things would have been different. So it is because of the Wike's support that INEC cancelled the result in the stronghold of Timipre Sylvia's area. And that was why Diri won. That's what this guy is saying. I'm quoting him from the statement he issued in condemning Diri. And this statement he issued, he's issuing it in support of Nyesom. And he's trying to show how Nyesom had been helping Diri and other Ijaw people. And now they are trying to say that Nyesom doesn't like Ijaw people. But in trying to defend Wike, he has also literally indicted him, so to say. Because if you say that Wike was responsible for the cancellation of the results, INEC results, from Timipre Sylvia's stronghold, that if not for that cancellation, which is as a result of Wike's support, what are you telling the world? So he was trying to rubbish Governor Diri, that he's a hypocrite, that when he shoot him, he will dance to the tune of Wike and even kneel down before Wike, because he mentioned it. And Wike has said something like that in one of his syndicated press conference with select a broadcast media organization, how Diri knelt down. He told him to stand up. Okay? Let us conclude his quote. He said, "This is why I'm talking about the hypocrisy in display today. When Douye Diri, Governor General of the Ijaw Nation, went down to kneel down for Wike to collect power he used in Ijaw land to win Sylva and myself, where was the Ijaw pride they so profess today?" You know, the Ijaw pride had been wounded, that Nyesom instigated the removal from office of the first Ijaw governor since 1999. So the Ijaw pride was wounded. That's a fact. And Diri and other Ijaws have a right to be angry about it, to be upset about it, to have to feel such change, because every politics is local. Every politics is local, whether we like it or not. Every politics is local. The same way people will feel offended today, many Yorubas will feel offended if this National Assembly start to move impeachment motion against Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You see the whole Yoruba will rally around him. It's a common thing. It's not unusual. In fact, if I can tell you for free, any day anybody raise a motion to impeach Tinubu now, you see they will rally around him. The same way the North, the Fulani would have done if anybody had tried to impeach Buhari. So it's not unusual. So this guy is talking rubbish. They just have a right to be angry that they were shortchanged. But the issue, what is interesting was the way he put that paragraph, indirectly indicting Wike of being involved in changing election outcome in a way that suggests not following the due process. Look at what he said. I guess it was the game at the time because a Wike's endorsement would have perhaps made the outcome of the governorship election different. As evident, his support led to the victory of Douye Diri, because if not for the cancellation of Chief Timipre Sylvia's stronghold, if he had stopped there, he would have been okay. But he went forward to say, made possible, the cancellation was made possible by Wike's support, which now turned the tide in favor of Diri. So Wike's support could make INEC to cancel the results in the stronghold of a candidate. If that doesn't tell you something about what perhaps happened in Rivers State during the presidential election in which P2B was shortchanged, then nothing will tell you anything. That's my take. What is your interpretation of what these Labour Party candidates revealed, even in his attempt to defend Nyesom Wike and condemn the Ijaw nationalists who are protesting that an Ijaw Simi Fubara was wrongly removed from office? What is your take? Where do you stand? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you, my girls.